Hi all. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon. Okay. In our previous video, what we have seen, we are cascading the values from country table to state table based on the country input. We are getting the states related to particular country. To achieve that, whatever the steps we follow, I have covered in previous video. Just go through it. Simple here. First, we created a data class, then report definition, then database, then calling the database from UI. After that, we are getting all the states. To avoid that, we just added some filters in the report definition where condition using by passing the parameters. Same parameters we passed in the data class C. Country code. First, we created one parameter here. CCD means country code. Country code we are passing is equal to param.ccd where this parameter is passing. This after that, this value of the parameter we are passing in database. Okay, this calling in database, same database, go to parameter with the same name. Definition, here we need to pass the parameter, that is pass the current parameter, but where we are giving the parameter value in address section, we are giving the value of the parameter here. Okay, see, we are passing the value here. What value we are passing? Whatever the option we are choosing in country, we pass that value. The country property, what value we choose it, just pass the value. Based on the value, just give the output in the station. Like that we have created. Okay, alright. So if we execute the case, the output is simple. See, if I select one country, India related states should come here. Yes, it's coming. If I select United States related things are coming. Yes, it is working fine. But what if I select nothing? Here nothing should come, no, but all states are coming. All states which are there in states table are coming here. This should not be damaged. So without selecting country, this value should not come. But why these values are populating? That is the big question. So actually these values are fetching by using report definition. That is states table report definition, right? States are fetching by using states table. So go to the report definition. Actions, just run and see why it is done. If you run it, just I'm running report definition alone. Okay. So filter by any code. Filter by any code. When we are not passing any parameter, it is filter by any code. Okay. Any country code. So we have to change it to use null if empty. This we need to select. So if we select this, what will happen? No items is coming. If country code is null, nothing should come. If country code is equal to apply changes. Now what will happen? All states will come. So here it is. We want to change the. We want to do these changes in the report definition. How to change it? Just go here. The condition. Click on settings icon. Not function icon. The settings icon. Use null if empty. Use null if empty. Allow any changes. Just save it. Now create a case and check whether how it is working. If there is no value in the parameter, what you will do? Choose null. Don't select all the states. If there is, I'll create a case, I'll tell you. We are not passing any value means we are not selecting any country here. So, so if I'm not selecting any values here, don't give any values here. If I'm selecting India, give India related data. If I'm selecting nothing here, so I'm not selecting here anything, don't give any value. So if I'm selecting India, give India related. If I'm selecting United States, give United States. That's how this report definition will work. So whatever the filter we applied here, no, go to settings and apply. Use null if empty. If there is no value passing through the parameter, where the parameter values are passing, address section, here if you go and see, here we are passing the values. That is country value. If we are not selecting any country value, so use null if empty. If the parameter is empty, use null. Don't give any values here. That's how it is working. If it is nothing, then don't give anything. Got it? Makes sense? And that is how the report definition will work. We have some other options in report. Ignore case. Ignore case means, see, we have two tables. One is country table and another one is like states table. If the values are not here AP, instead of AP, if it is small a and P, that time it will not take. Report definition will not consider unless you select this option. Ignore this. Is there any option allow any? These and all remaining options will work when we run the report definition. Allow any changes. When to do the changes, we apply filter. Allow changes to values only means just, just exploring. But whatever the practical I did, you got my point right. Like that. Okay. This is how it will work. Okay. So while we are running this case, we'll just go to clipboard and tell you one more thing. This is data page, right? So on thread scope, see how it is coming. Okay. First we selected India. So it is coming IN. Param values will come here. Okay. If I select anything else, like other than India, if I select US, Australia, if I select, it will refresh and it will show the value. Okay. Go to data pages, thread scope. See Australia values will come. If I select multiple times Australia, India, multiple times, again if I select India, so this clipboard will not show India again because this is database, it will fetch the details only once. Okay, and we have one more thing in database. I need to tell you, if we go to database, load management, load management, limit to a single database, limit to a single database, if I save it. So only the latest value will come out. Thread. Let me read. If I click on clipboard, whatever the latest we choose, that will come. Easy. India first I selected, then I select US, then I select Australia. What will come here is click on clipboard. The latest data will come. See, final one I selected Australia, only Australia data will come. Remaining India, Russia will not come because we did changes in database, that is load management limit to a single database. If we unselect it, then all other data will come. Okay, there is a refresh. Now go to case type and select United States, select India, select something, Canada. Now you just go to clipboard and see. Okay, not user register, then let's go. See, here the details are come. If we do the changes in this where in database like load management, if we select single database, only the latest database will come. So what is the use of this database here? Instead, if the 1,000 users are logged in into the node scope and they are selecting one person is selecting India and another person is selecting Canada and third person is again selecting India. So the data will not fetch multiple times. How many countries it will take? It will be there in database. Sorry, our data class. That many times only database will load. For example, we have 50 countries in our data table. So maximum 50 times it will hit the database. After that, it will use the previous data. Whoever selecting India data, same data it will be used. 1,000 users also log in. In the 1,000 users, the 1,000 users are related to India. It will not hit 1,000 times to the database. It will hit only one time. Only one time. Remaining times it will use the same. That is the advantage of database. I hope this video is makes sense.